What's an Impinjet Wet Scrubber and how does it work? Today, we'll offer a quick overview on wet scrubbers in general, as well as on the anatomy of an Impinjet Wet Scrubber. Wet scrubbers come in a variety of types and shapes, but the purpose of all of them is to remove vapors, gases, and particulates generated by the exhaust of some process equipment. Wet scrubbers are often located downstream from furnaces, dryers, mixers, bagging stations, and other emission points. They're often the best option for applications where the particulate being collected is combustible. Using water to scrub particulate from an airstream eliminates the dust's explosion potential. Wet scrubbers are also a logical choice for applications that require cleaning the airstream of both particulates and gases before it vents to the atmosphere. They are well suited for high-temperature applications and for applications where there is moisture in the gas stream that would quickly clog a dry dust collector. Let's take a look at the flow of contaminated gases through an Impinjet scrubber, one of 4 different wet scrubber types that Sly offers. The contaminated gas passes in through the scrubber's gas inlet and through the spray section. The scrubber's spray section is designed to cool the gas flow and entrap larger particles. These non-clogging sprays wash the underside of the plate and the walls to prevent materials from building up there. An adjustable weir provides a uniform flow of liquid to the plate to keep it continually wet. The water moves across the plate much like a puck moves across an air hockey table. When combined with the high-speed gas flow, the wetted baffles create tiny water droplets that are critical to the scrubbing process. The result is thousands of tiny jets that atomize the liquid into droplets roughly 100 microns in diameter, which clean the contaminated gas by entrapping particles in the scrubbing liquid. Each jet sucks up liquid from the blanket of scrubbing fluid on the plate, which creates a wetted target surface on the baffle, located just above the point of maximum gas velocity. The constant violent agitation of the blanket of scrubbing fluid prevents particles from settling on the plate and flushes them away. The Impinjet scrubber can reduce gaseous pollutants to any desired exit concentration by simply adding more baffle plates. The plate discharge drain directs the dirty water to the bottom of the scrubber for removal. A non-clogging seal prevents short-circuiting of gas. The close contact between gas and liquid ensures the maximum collection efficiency for particles and droplets, as well as absorption of gases and vapors. A fixed blade mist eliminator ensures that you'll be releasing droplet-free air back to your process or the atmosphere. When used for absorption, the scrubber's countercurrent operation helps ensure low outlet emissions. Now, let's take a moment to review some of the advantages that Impinjet scrubbers offer. They include high particle collection efficiencies with low water recirculation and minimum pressure drop, high absorption efficiency for gases and vapors. More plates can be added to existing installations to improve efficiency without increasing liquid recirculation. There is no need to buy complete new units, making the Impinjet a fully scalable solution. The Impinjet design has no moving parts to maintain. Designs with integral sumps or separate recirculation systems are available. The Impinjet scrubber can handle high temperatures and temperature fluctuations. Well, that wraps up our Impinjet Wet Scrubber anatomy lesson. If you'd like more information on the kinds of wet scrubbers Sly engineers, builds, and services, visit slyinc.com to download a copy of our Wet Scrubbers Buyer's Guide. Thanks for listening.